When you see a dog and a wolf side by side, you notice different snout length, fur, but deep down, dogs and wolves are extremely close. In fact, domestic dogs, Canis familiaris, are considered a subspecies or domesticated form of the gray wolf, Canis lupus. So if they're so close, what's the one big difference that truly separates a household pup from its wild ancestor? It's behavior and genetics, shaped by domestication, especially how dogs relate to humans in ways wolves typically don't. Here's the fast payoff. Dogs are hardwired, domestication to be social with humans, to read our cues, seek our attention, to bark, to adapt to living with us. Wolves, even the friendliest ones, tend to remain wild, wary, and driven by instincts for survival. Research shows dog pups perform much better than wolf pups in following human pointing gestures, for example. But wait, there's more nuance. Their DNA is still overwhelmingly similar. Domestication didn't rewrite all their genes, but changed many regulatory and behavioral ones. Studies of genomes showed dogs went through a severe bottleneck during domestication and interbred a little with wolves afterward. Pattern interrupt. Imagine wolves in tuxedos. Trying to live with us, they'd still be wild at heart. Let me drop a myth. People sometimes say wolves are just big dogs. No, the difference isn't size or teeth alone. Behavior, fear response, social tolerance toward humans, ability to digest starches, reduced aggression, all these traits were selected in dogs. Dogs also eat more varied diets, omnivorous now, while wolves are much more strictly carnivorous. Open loop. Here is something to bounce around your brain. Nearly any dog could interbreed with a wolf. They are the same species complex and produce fertile offspring. But behavioral differences still keep them apart. So, the only difference, it's not one bone, one gene, or one muscle. It's how domestication rewired behavior, social instincts, and certain genetic traits that make dogs companions and wolves remain wild. Riddle time. If dogs evolved to live with humans, what trait do you think was most valuable? Tameness, social intelligence, or food flexibility? Drop your answer in comments. Next time someone says dog and wolf are totally different, you can smile and say, we changed behavior, we didn't change everything.